Welcome back to my channel. Here's an idea of easy to do makeup for the beginners. Hit the like button if you loved this video and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. This tutorial is for everyone who plans to do a traditional Asian, Indian, Pakistani bridal makeup, either on self or someone else. This makes a great daytime wedding ceremony look and features a gold glitter double cut crease look taught step by step. I hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe.